Hi, this is Josh, also known as Cpgeek, and today we're going to be looking at the Raeisusp DC drive cable. So this is designed to power a Lumix G85 or G7 camera off of AC power, or in this case, either AC power or USB. USB being a really cool option if you're in the field and happen to have a big battery pack. So this is just an initial unboxing and my first impressions. Hopefully we'll be able to give a little bit more of a detailed review as part of the complete rig configuration later on. I'll definitely walk you through that once I have something set up here. But for now, let's go ahead and get this box open and see what it looks like. So here is the Raeisusp DC drive cable. And as we see on the box, we have a battery, the DC to DC power adapter, and that goes into a battery cheater here, which pops into the camera. And you can either power it using the included AC adapter or USB battery, not included of course. On the other side here we have some battery mode comparisons as far as run times and whatnot, and what the unit looks like here. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. Sliding it on up, we have the Raeisusp. Man, I have so much difficulty pronouncing this. Raeisusp manual here. If you have any problem using our product, you're welcome to contact us for further assistance. We'll do our best to assist you in making you 100% satisfaction. Always loved the language barrier. Apparently they're on Facebook, they give us their Gmail, and of course this is the overall manual and user guide for this thing as well. Warning, follow all the precautions and instructions marked on the product and described in the manual of your digital camera and additional precautions listed below. And here it goes on and in different languages. Looks like we got German, French, Spanish, Italian. On the back side it looks like we have some various Asian languages that I don't speak, and general user guide. And here we get to the meat and potatoes of this. We've got the power adapter, we've got the looks like the battery cheater here. It's nice and lightweight, it's awesome. And we've got the USB DC to DC inline power cable. So this goes from 5 volts on USB to whatever the camera takes. I believe it's 7.5 volts if I'm not mistaken. And that looks like pretty much it. Let's go ahead and pull this out of the box. And so here we've got the battery cheater. Looks like it connects to the camera here. It's a nice male-female power coupler. Looks like these plug in together. This plugs into the camera. And we've got what appears to be a fairly long USB cable. Let's go ahead and pull that into this shot here. Looks like it's nice and wide. It's a good maybe 3 feet or so. Just enough cable to get you where you're going, but not long enough where you're going to be tripping over the thing. And of course that plugs right on into the power adapter here, and this powers your camera. Looks pretty simple, but should help me out a lot. This will work great on my new Panasonic Lumix G85. So in order to install, and in order to show you how to install it, let's go ahead and grab the G85 here. And it should just be a matter of going to the bottom here, flipping this little door open, popping the battery out that I happen to have in there right now, and punching out this little flap for the cable to go through, uncoupling the coupler here, and I'll just go ahead and pop the battery in, pass this cable right on through, close and lock the battery door. And looks like we're pretty much good to go. Got this nice little pigtail that just sticks out of the camera, nice and easy, so we can still take it off the tripod and very easily swap out the battery solution for a fresh battery for portable shooting. So it's really easy to switch back and forth. Or the other way to operate this, of course, would be to go ahead and plug this USB end into a USB battery, like this one from Imuto that I reviewed in a previous video. But if we go ahead and plug the power adapter from the camera into the battery here, and then we'll take this lead from the camera that we just set up and plug it into the DC to DC power supply. I should then be able to turn on the camera, just like so. Now, of course, I have a lens cap here, so we'll go ahead and take that off, and we'll see that we've got some life here. I will, of course, have to go back through and measure out how long this battery will last on this camera in terms of shooting video and photos. It should prove to enhance the versatility of this setup for both mobile and studio work, and that should be really all there is to it. So thanks for stopping by for the short first look and unboxing. Be sure to hit that like button down below, get subscribed, be sure to ring that bell icon up there as well so you know when I release another video. Thanks a lot, have a good one.